Hello all, this is Tally from the education team at the Journey Museum and Learning Center. So today we are going to mimic a snowstorm. So it's just a fun little activity. Our materials we're going to use is a mason jar, baby oil, iridescent glitter. It could be other kind of glitter, but iridescent glitter works better so you can see the snowstorm in the jar. You're going to need Alka-Seltzer or antacid. Make sure that your antacid has citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, because that's what's going to cause the chemical reaction that will create the snowstorm in our little jar. And then you will need some water. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our mason jar and our baby oil, and we are going to put some baby oil in here. It smells so good. So you want to you don't want to fill it all the way to the top, because as the snowstorm is created in this mason jar, it's going to rise. The level of liquid will rise. So keep filling this up. It smells so great. I think that's how everybody feels when they're smelling baby oil or baby powder, baby lotion. Babies smell so great until they excrete bodily fluids on you. Then they don't smell so great, but that's for another video. Okay, so this looks about good. If you can see that. So we're gonna put these aside. So in order to have a snowstorm, what is a snowstorm? It's when high pressure, hot air combines with cold air, right? And a lot of moisture and freezing temperatures. So that's what we're going to try to mimic. Set that aside. So this, we are going to add water. You want to fill it up with a lot of water. And then we're going to add some white paint to the water because we want to see the snowstorm. And I'm using acrylic paint. You can use water-based paint as well. Mix it up, mix it up. So now my water is white. So make sure all your paint is mixed up in the water. So excited to see this. Okay, now we're going to take our oil and pour our white water in there. And as we all know, oil and water don't mix. So we kind of got our snowflakes ready. Now we're gonna add the glitter just to see a little bit of the snowstorm. You don't want to add too much glitter because it will be hard to see the snowstorm. So I'd say, well, like a teaspoonful. Those were the snowflakes. Okay, now you're going to take your antacid or your Alka-Seltzer. You're going to break it up. So I already broke mine up. And watch what happens. So the more you add, and it dissolves, it's supposed to create snowstorm. And the experiment calls for 2 or 3 tablets. I'm gonna crush this one up. Let's see if I can do a better job. It's supposed to fizz, so if you can see, you kind of see it fizzing up there. And the more tablets you add, the more violent your storm will be. Sorry to crush it up. You see how it's coming up. It's storming. It's starting to storm. Now it's really going. And this is supposed to be a snowstorm. Yay! Snow, now the visibility is almost zero. And it's gonna rise up. And that is our snowstorm in a bottle. Yay!